Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit demands resignation of Professor K. Yugindro over alleged unethical remark directed towards the state governor. Inadequate doctors and staff at Jiribam District Community Health Center brings plight to residents of Jiribam District. And Kisan Sale Majdur Congress Nambol inspects drought-affected agricultural lanes in Nambol. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has demanded resignation of VC in charge of Manipur University, Professor K. Yugindro, for his unethical remark directed towards the governor of Manipur. The party also warned of intense agitations along with the people of the state if both the centre and the state fail to restore normalcy in the university within 7 days. Speaking to media at Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit office in Babupara today, Party President M. Tombi lamented that the state still remains incapable of resolving the varsity crisis, which has exceeded 100 days. He condemned VC AP Pandey and VC in charge K. Yugindro for bringing disruption in the academic atmosphere of the university. He urged to all those concerned to denounce blame game tragedy in the university crisis and to resolve the prevailing turmoil and restore normalcy without further delay. He hoped that the independent inquiry will soon initiate legal action against Professor Adya Prasad Pandey.
Ngasi paraga numit tarik ni bhogi manungda karigumba university normalcy state amidi central government na puraktana angang singsi laik tamba hondrabadi Shiv Sena gi leijariba gi strength punamak puthuoga CSO sing aduga satra gi community singa loinana akoi moina tawriba yamna democratic oiba aduga khongjang adu da akoi su yaksil lagani BC gi charge puriba Yugindro athu matamda miyam na sangsil leiba khongjang asi miyam gi damta sangsin mane na khanbi rer kanda nasana resign to.
Speaking to media, General Secretary of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit, Leng Gangte, drew the attention of the government to revive the tea estate in Jiribam for enhancing the state's income. Leng Gangte intimated that the tea plants are thriving at Jirighat Tea Estate in Jiribam despite being in a deplorable condition. He appealed to the relevant authorities to look into the inadequacy and regenerate the tea estate without further delay.
Manipur gi only tea estate garden ama leiba ase yamna phibam sokn lehaure hairiba tea garden estate ase sarkar na revive toba yagadoba sarkar sina cabinet asina amtang asigi matang asida decision ama lo biragadi employment avenue gi namakta yamna chauraba scope leigani.
Joint forces of women folks of Coimbatore Market and lady students of various colleges and Manipur University took out a protest rally today. The rally in solidarity to the ongoing agitations initiated by the 6 joint student bodies of MSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK Suk and AIMS in connection with Manipur University crisis flagged off from the market towards Governor's Bungalow. Imphal West Police obstructed the protesters midway. However, the agitator overpowered the police personnel and managed to march forward. Meanwhile, an extra police forces intervened and contained the situation in front of Roop Mahal Theatre. The agitators were unable to submit a memorandum containing their grievances to the governor as governor's office remained closed, being a Sunday.
Problems and normal like last night kunga tangsan gine akoy de kari ko mamda career se amdre only eme tamdari se loi jare akoy ki di loi jaung ta ba ba tau de akoy ya kunsi se kana pe dau ge
Manipur gi MU gi chhatra chhatri punamak che masigi punsi kan biu isa sing mayam ma kana mama akoy na karam tu mina leiba ngamde no khang ngamdre MU ko campus manang da leiba indana mai isel forcing je khudak ta lokthok biu masi thamba pamdre isa sing gi punsi je kan biu lairik makha phajana tamhan biu.
Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) in a press release drew the attention of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to culminate the ongoing Manipur University impasse and bring normalcy in the university. It also urged the relevant authority to release all the arrested professors and students of the university without any conditions. Sijia Hospital has successfully performed open heart surgery upon two Myanmarese ladies. The two ladies are identified as Tudi Maya, 65 years, and Sati Maya, 45 years. They were admitted in the hospital on September 9 with symptoms of chest pain and breathing problems. 2 days later, aortic valve replacement was successfully conducted on Tudi Maya, while in 3 days of admission, an intracardiac atrial septal defect repair was done on Sati Maya through an open heart surgery. The residents of Ningxingkhul, Jiribam district have been adversely affected due to lack of adequate doctors and staffs in the only 50-bedded community health center in the area. Here is an exclusive report from Impact News reporter Ilangbam Musuk.
The only multi-crore community health center of Jiribam district, located 222 kilometers away from Imphal, catering to over 40,000 population, is not fully functioning yet. The state government inaugurated the CHC in October of 2016 for catering to the health sector in the district. However, due to lack of adequate doctors and other staff, the health center is unable to function efficiently till date. The community health center has 3 PG doctors, 1 dental doctor, 7 nurses, 2 ward assistants, 3 driver, and 1 sweeper, but no specialist doctor nor a chowkidar.
Function only doctor 12 hours ki duty plus extra program mein amjo hoina tawduri yadabne na hoje duso hoi tawle workload se hen na doctor so nurse so hoina ahoi maximum output se pibu ngamde maximum workout ahoi taw ngamdre adagi intern ahoi public da su phasana sewa se pibu ngamdre.
The 7 nurses posted in the center are facing major inconvenience in attending the countless number of patients coming to the health center. Likewise, patients are deprived of care and attention from the medical staff.
Some the emergency cases delivery
Lack of dental equipments and dental nurses hinder treatment procedures of the dental doctor in the health center.
Presently, I'm the only one posted here. Actually, there should be 2 posts, but I'm alone, so I've been doing all the duties. And moreover, even the dental chair is not installed yet, so I'm so helpless here because without instruments for a dental surgeon, it is impossible to take up any treatment.
Despite the government's announcement for providing free test facilities at health centers, the Jiribam Community Health Center still charged patients for all the medical tests, not to forget that the testing laboratories are not even fully equipped.
Hospital Management Society na
Locals intimated that a memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister during his visit in Jiribam to look into the inadequacies of the health center. Subsequently, 2 doctors were posted in the center by a transfer order dated September 26 this year, but they are yet to report. Initiative for recruiting other vacant posts of the health center seems bleak at present.
CIC Jiribam ki staff sing koi casualty trauma center da emo tara sakhan section tawbi tara si suna than bi pa me adegi atopa emo tara ma thoi gum bam su thabir kadamni sarkar gi emo jingi maraktagi thabira su kaide or outsource to birga retired senior officers in the thabira su kaide sima pamjai aduga Jiribam district medical department gi oina post ahang bagai su thuna Hapiraga, Jiribangi, Karatabir, Pakani, and Kali.
This is Joyce Rusham for reporter Ilangbam Mushuk, Impact News, Jiribam.
Lamjing Meira and Department of Education in Manipur held the second day of its career counseling confluence at City Convention in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the event, news editor of All India Radio Imphal, Dr. Aribam Ibomcha, spoke at length on opting journalism as a career, stating that journalism is becoming increasingly significant in today's time. Dr. Ibomcha added that the profession offers diverse scope if one pursues it wholeheartedly. He said one can enter in this field as a government employee by cracking the Indian Information Service Examination conducted by UPSC or render service to the public by joining a private media firm. He also mentioned that one can take up journalism and work as public relation officer in private companies, hospitals, or even become speech writers for political leaders. Speaking in the event, General Manager of Hotel Yaifaba, Paunem Prem, spoke on hotel management as a career, scientific assistant of Forensic Science Laboratory Manipur. Thaudam Chandramani spoke on teaching as a career. Founder of Sarita Boxing Academy, Thoiba Chongtham highlighted on a career in sports, while Assistant Professor of RIMS Department of Clinical Psychology, Premika Nomaikapam, spoke on psychology as a career. Students from class 9 to 12 from over 15 government and private schools participated in the event.
Khangtokpam ju sangi adu mathasida koi akoina swaida unabasina man khalabneba adu journalism gi wala tawri se sida pura koi sauraba koi wasingamne ipamne ma se politician obi ai celebrity obi ai any field sports gi celebrity lai ko film gi celebrity lai ko literature gi koi celebrity lai mayam se koi communication manager se convincing journalist gi obi ai journalist gi kai obi ai speech writer da su obi ai koi pashaji jam chawna phangba aduga thabak su yam kana sindaba aduga matam issue jing yam khangba mi oiba.
International Manipuri Association and Association of Manipuri Diasporas held its fourth convention at Hong Nem Sang NT Theatre in Changangai today. Speaking in the event, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan stressed the need to create a platform for all the Manipuris living outside the state and in abroad. He maintained that only unity will facilitate development. Many Manipuri diasporas took part in the convention. A combined team of Kaching Range office staff and honorary wildlife warden Thobal W. Ramchandra rescued a wildcat Felis bengalensis, locally known as Kaijang Lang at Sora in Kaching district. The wildcat was rescued from one Mohammad Tamizur Rahman. The wildcat, whose health was deteriorating, was handed over to Manipur Zoological Garden. The team also seized 2 nets kept for trapping birds at paddy field in the area. Individuals suspected to be NSCN-IM shot dead a suspected captain of Zelengrong United Front Jet UF around 11:30 this morning. The deceased is identified as Salimpo Pamay from Samliangtiang, 3 kilometers away from Kopum police station. Impact News sources said he was shot to death in front of his wife at Kopum Tanagong village in Noni district. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a homage paying ceremony at Thingel Maru Thiam Leishangkong. We'll be back with details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Former Union Minister T.H. Chauba has proposed the idea of dividing Imphal West District into 2 for the convenience of the people. The former minister was speaking during the homage-paying ceremony of former MLA of Wangoi constituency, Thaugdam Toyaima, former Minister C.H. Rajamohan and former Chief Minister W. Nupamacha at Thingel Maru Thiam Leishangkong, organized by Luching Sakpan Ningshinkon Teen Mutri Thiam Leishangkong. Te Chauba maintained that there are certain inconveniences associated with dense population and extensive geographical area in Imphal West district. He assured to approach the government to look into the matter at the earliest. Organizing Secretary Y. Nilamani paid floral tributes at the portraits of the late leaders and presented an eulogy highlighting their various contributions.
Proposed Revenue Mantri Imphal West District Ani Tona Kaido Pio. District Ani Tona Kaido Pidrabadi administration the Yamwatare Luinana public inconvenience. Lowi Semigi Yam Kudum Sadabo, Habilla Pupatara, the Horupasina, Awang Shema Yorium. Yam Zawrim. Sing the Rajai convenience, we never get a constituency Amana, district Shabayaudia, Karigino, Pak Jawi, Prajala, but a white. Aduna, Madam Moraga Kaidui, Madam the Imphal West, District Ani Kaido Piu, Ken Resutara, Nipani.
Kishan Sel Majadur Congress Nambol inspected drought affected agricultural lands in Nambol today. The team under supervision of MLA and Lokin inspected over 50 paddy fields. The team came across cracked earth and dried up paddy lips due to drought in the area. Cell worker K. Ibohal appealed to the concerned departments to provide irrigation for the fields.
Akwai longmi singna paisa thadana yamna expand torkanda ugriba lokham singa ji hoji phau thokchi puthokna chana thangna mayama puthokado bude hoji mafam ji loglokpa yadabagi phibam da leirabanina rabi crop haibedi akwai gi mana masing tharkanda hariba mangriba akwai gi phau gi pothok singa se mana masing singa sina kukhatpa yana no gidongta leiriba mari leinaba department gi side haibedi Manipur government gi side gi amadi agriculture department gi side gi longmi sing gi awaba sida yengbiraganda ambon block ki Kishan Shell ki team na longmi sing asigi awaba si yengbiraganda mateng pangbinanaba koi nolokna haijari.
M. Binod Kumar, the father of Siroi Bakery proprietor M. Loya Lenba, has refuted Akom's Luf allegations upon the bakery located in Singjamai Mayengbam Laikai. He clarified that the Lup neither inspected the bakery nor any suggestions were made regarding processing of the food items. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Binod Kumar appealed to Akom Lup to give room for discussion. He stated that members of the Lup came for donation on the occasion of Maira Ho Chongba on September 20th. He said a donation of 1,000 rupees was given to the members yesterday. Binod Kumar also mentioned that the members complained about the donation amount as minimal and went with some eatables from the bakery. Binod Kumar condemned the allegation charged by Akom Lup in the wake of Siroi Bakery trying to acquire Food Safety and Standard Authority of India registration number.
Koi phasai logde khote takpi bayam nuai session to birakpa ai thagachari temsu ai khitang nuai sidabdi yoli pose moina dukan dagi phagat padongna wakhal lama tawi gi hawker singda hayengi det tharga yolo je bakery gi hawker dunu su yaroi da pol amani ai moi chana namne moi puraka moi khitang badram oi basi ai ngonda lei ai masimakti khoi yon madi nate sumaina moi chana pugibani kumlupna moi lakpasi tasegmadi moi donation lakpani amo boiro sigumba organization leaders including Kandragasu, Iso organization doctor Mike subordinate helpers in the Soibra, Natraga, Ayakno Soira, the highway Waris Hanabi, Mamadi Eloxani.
Salai Agro Products Private Limited, Salai Spices and Flour Plants Salai Fine Atta was launched at the factory in Lamboi Kongnangkong today. Salai has already launched Mitei rice, black aromatic rice, Chakhao Poreiton, oyster mushroom, Japanese shiitake mushroom, turmeric powder, ginger powder, chili powder, spices, filtered mustard oil, refined mustard oil, etc. till the date with an aim to provide safe food for the people of Manipur. Winners of the cleanest competition under Swachh Bharat mission organized by Kairao Makting Urban Cluster Development Committee Imphal East for its cluster Gram Panchayats were felicitated today. Basikong Gram Panchayat Pradhan and Binolata, BDO Ketrigao Block W Nando and State Nodal Officer R. Urban, KH Ibocho and many other Gram Panchayat Pradhans and ward members attended the event held at Sin Suba Sanglen under Basikong Gram Panchayat. Basikong Gram Panchayat, Kiamgai Gram Panchayat and Kairao Makting Gram Panchayat were awarded the first, second and third prizes respectively. Winners of cleanliness competition held in Ward 11 of Basikong Gram Panchayat were also felicitated on the occasion. Voluntary Donors Group Manipur in a press release loaded Ilangbam Lokendro, the secretary of the group, on being conferred the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Award 2018. The press release also mentioned that Ilangbam Lokendro from Sagolban Tera Sapam Leirak has donated blood 60 times till date. Translation of Urdu novel Umrao Jan Ada into Manipuri, written in Bengali script by M.M. Ahmad, was released today. Writers Union Manipur organized the event at the training hall of the Agriculture Department in Sanjinthong. Sahitya Academy awardee B.M. Meshnamba, President of Writers Union Manipur Arjun Kabir, attended the event. It may be recalled that Umrao Jan Ada was written by Mirza Hadi Rushwa. Traditional cooking competition was held in connection with Miss Meitei Chanu competition 2018 at the office complex of Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung Kanglei Park, Kongpal Pong Road today. The 20 finalists cooked traditional meals using traditional methods. It may be recalled that the participants visited villages on September 30th. Winners of the contest will get a cash award of 1 lakh rupees, 70,000 rupees will be given to the first runners-up and 50,000 rupees to the second runners-up. The subtitles of the pageant are Ningthibi Samlang, Thogalon Lonchat Pazabi, Thoidok Hendogna Henthoi Sinthoibi and Mamida Maithong Pazabi. The grand finale of the beauty pageant, organized by Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung Kanglei Park, will be held on October 31st at MSF DS. Screening for Miss Good 2018 was held at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles today. The beauty pageant is a part of the upcoming state-level Kut Festival 2018 to be celebrated on October 31st and November 1st on Thomas Ground, Kangpopi district. The screening was organized under the supervision of Member of State-Level Kut Committee MCS Chungleng Mang. Cookie Artists Progressive Union KAPU in a press release informed that the Best Pop Singer and Best Rapper of the Year for Nitin Thuso Foundation Day Cum Award Distribution NTFODAD 2018 will be selected through an online voting. Rifleman Moirangthem Ajoy of 2nd Manipur Rifles was conferred the Best Photographer Award during an award ceremony held at Din Dayal Upadhyaya Mark Gandhi Peace Foundation in New Delhi today. Moirangthem Ajoy from Khagempali Pankha Nganapithong Mapan. He is serving as a rifleman under Commandant MPS P. Manjit of the 2nd Manipur Rifles. The 4th day of the 5-day-long 36 Tal Amadi Rajman Fangnaba Thauram was held at Luang Sangbam Community Hall in Haingang constituency today. Parchia Nat Sankritan Samaj organized the event at Wangkhai Lamlai, Khundrakpam, Haingang and Lamlai constituencies under Khurai Pana. The event aimed to raise awareness on the components of Nat Sankritan, that is Tal and Rajman. Many people, including the wife of Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren and Hiainu, attended the event. Mumbai Manipuri Meitei Association Navi Mumbai and cancer patient jointly flagged off a G. Ingobi Chingtham 20 years from Khongdrom Sapa Mayai Laikai on a cycle rally under the banner Hum Fit to India Fit today. G. Ingobi Chingtham left Navi Mumbai Central Park, Garghar, for New Delhi, spreading awareness for a healthy lifestyle free from drugs at 9:15 this morning. Now the sports news. Manipur team won 2 matches in the ongoing Under-19 Men's Vinod Mankad Trophy. During the first pledge group one-day match, Manipur won the toss and chose to bat against Puducherry and managed to get 166 runs in the altogether 44.3 overs, all wickets down. In the second innings, Puducherry scored 23 runs in 9.4 overs, all wickets down. Manipur bowler R.K. Rex took 8 wickets in 4.4 overs, giving an outstanding feat in the history of Manipur cricket. Sikkim got knockout as Manipur scored 233 runs in 50 overs with 10 wickets fall, while Sikkim scored 57 runs in 28.3 overs, all wickets fall, during their second match yesterday. R.K. Rex, Bidas and Sohel took 5, 2 and 2 wickets respectively. R.K. Rex also scored 83 runs during the match. Manipur will play against Arunachal Pradesh in their third match on 9 October at KIIT Cricket Stadium, Bhubaneswar. It may be mentioned that the trophy is organized by Board of Control Cricket in India, BCCI, where 9 teams are competing in one-day matches in different cricket stadiums of Bhubaneswar. Manipur Softball Association MSA Managing Committee held a meeting and elected executive members for 2018 to 2021. L. Lokendra and T. Kiran were elected as President and Secretary respectively. MSA in the press release further urged all the interested softball players who want to play at the state and national level to approach the association officials. Manipur State League participating team Forum Manipur has organized a press meet at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, President of the Forum, Bamkim Khomanthem, asserted that the Forum never meant to degrade football as a sport and have always worked for its betterment. However, he claimed that different issues hovering around the sports were caused by some self-centered officials of All Manipur Football Association. The Forum accused a former official of trying to hold the office for as long as they can by not complying to the election of new AMFA members. The Forum asserted that it has never been a part of any of the scuffles and assured to extend support to any organization working for promoting football in the state. Bamkim also raised concern over transfer of players by AMFA amongst many. Vice President of Forum N. Ranjit and K. Chung Neithang Chiru, including members of the Forum, attended the meeting.
Empana piba affidavita player ki masing se listing ani ne haidana pi player listing ani se masidagi sida listing ani makai player amomom da ngasai min lawraga professional so amateur so ani gi listing ani makai se masiga player listing ani siga amuktang puri nabi lakh yang khaita masigi lakh yang khaise sahi tara chupna regularly makoina misuse to na la aina haibanati documents ni player listing ani si ani ne haibase moi masana claim to bani aduga haidiba paisa se masigi 70% ti magi club to the hangadam 30% tuna empana lowgadam atupa phalana mayamam laigare play gi adu gi ada gi sponsorship ki mayamam laigare madu let's keep it for a side hariba pochina sangna sakini makoi paisa misuse to hai.
Bodybuilders of Star Gym Kwakaithel Laimakujam Laikai, who backed medals in the 16th Mr. Imphal West 2018, organized by All Manipur Bodybuilding Association on September 23rd, were felicitated today. Manipur Badminton Association MBA in the press release informed that in the upcoming Yonex Sunrise to be held from October 9 to the 15 at Patna in Bihar, National Referee G.A. Jitaranjan will serve as Deputy Referee and National Umpire T. Dineshwar will be the umpire in All India Sub-Junior Ranking Badminton Tournament under 15 and under 17. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit demands resignation of Professor K. Yugindro over alleged unethical remark directed towards the state governor. Inadequate doctors and staff at Jiribam District Community Health Center brings plight to residents of Jiribam District. And Kisan Sale Majadur Congress Nambol inspects drought-affected agricultural lanes in Nambol.